welcome to my channel. This is Myra Azee right here. Don't forget to like, share, comment down below and subscribe this video if this video helps you. So, are you a weak student in maths? Is maths very complicated and hardworking for you? Do you like maths? Do you want to improve your maths? Or are you stressed by it? Maths. Do you make a fool of yourself or be intelligent? I'm a fool. I don't know math. Wait a minute. I have ABACUS. I can learn maths now. Now I can be the coolest person. Yeah. This feels nice. For improving your maths, watch my new series of videos on how to learn ABACUS or go to www.sipacademyindia.com. Bye guys. Meet you in my next video.